So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lakshay. Today we'll be solving out one Leetcode SQL problem, which is to write an SQL query to find the employees who earn more than their managers. So in this question we are given a table which is and it is having the column ID, name, salary and manager ID. And from this question we can see uh, Joe is having a manager ID 3 and his manager is basically Sam, and we can see Joe is earning more than his manager salary, so that will be coming as an output and which is also mentioned in the output as well. And in the Henry case we can see his manager ID is 4 and his manager is Max, and he is earning less than his manager, so that will not come as an output. And for Sam and Max the manager ID are not given, so we don't know who is their manager, so that will not come as an output obviously. Okay, so as we can see in this question we are comparing one row with another row to comparing the salary of two persons. So in this case we can use the concept of a self join and solve out our particular problem. So let's start our implementation and see how we can use the conditions here and solve out this particular problem. Let's start. Select all from employee E1, I'm aliasing it there. Join employee E2 on E1 dot manager ID is equal to E2 dot ID. So let's see what will be the output here. Okay, so we can see we are getting two rows here. Why we are getting two rows? Because we are comparing the first manager ID with the ID part. So 3 and 4 are there and that are matching, so that will be coming as an output. So and also now we have this particular table as an output, like the first part is the employee part and the other half part is a manager part. If we compare the salary, so as we can see Joe's salary here is greater than the Sam's salary, and if we can write our condition like the employee salary is greater than that manager's salary, we can get our output. So let's write that condition where E1 dot salary is greater than E2 dot salary. So let's see the output here. So okay, so we are getting the desired output. We want like only the name part, but yeah, like we have fetch the desired row. Here we can see that Joe is having a salary which is greater than his manager's salary, which is Sam. To get our desired output we have to fetch out only the name, so let's fetch out the name. So if we write only name, then it will give an error because it will not able to figure out for which part we are considering the name, because as there are two name here. Let's give out E1 dot name and alias it as an employee. Let's run this and see the output. Okay, so we have achieved our desired output. So Joe is the employee which is earning more than his manager's salary, and that is the output, and we have achieved our desired output here. So thanks a lot guys for watching this video. If you like this video, then please press the like button so that it can reach to the maximum audience, and subscribe the channel and press the bell notification to stay updated with a new video. Thank you.